Okay, let us continue. The oasis in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in the Egypt supports settlement to population. We can making the people can live there because there is little bit chance to live, because in the rainy season they are getting water in the oasis area, and the Nile river having little bit water in other time also. Since water is available, the people grow date palms. Crops such as rice, wheat, barley and beans are also grown. Think, the people of desert area, they are cultivating rice. Then how we can say like that here in our area there is lack of water to cultivate something. They are cultivating rice, even wheat and barley and beans. Then Egyptian cotton, famous worldwide, is grown in Egypt. That is one particular type of cotton. It is need very less water only. That is very famous in the world. The discovery of oil, a production in great demand throughout the world in Algeria, Libya and Egypt, is constantly transforming the Sahara desert. The other areas also where there was agriculture was available, that area also slowly changing to desert area. Then other minerals of importance that are found in the area include iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium. So they are having the natural resources, not like Japan without any natural resources, but in Sahara desert they are having different types of natural resources. Oil is there, means petroleum, diesel, like that. Then we can see iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium. And the cultural landscape of the Sahara is undergoing change. The gleaming glass seas office building tower over the mosque and super highways crisscross the ancient camel paths. So the in olden days we was using only camels, that was the ship of the desert. Nowadays we made the what we can say national highway there in this Sahara, and so we can that is crossing, that is helping the people to move very faster in the desert area. Trucks are replacing camel in the salt trade. So they was using olden days we was using salt. Nowadays we are using truck because we are having this super highways there. Then Tuaregs are seen acting as guide to foreign tourists. More and more nomadic herdmen are taking to city life, finding job in oil and gas operations. So this Tuaregs, that is the one of the type of a tribal group, those who are living in the Sahara desert. They are helping us to helping in the name of guides to the foreign tourists, those who are visiting that area. Then this nomadic herdmen, what they are doing, the tribal group, they are moving to city area in search of job. Okay, we will continue in inside there is one box, that is, do you know, scientists have actually found skeleton of fish in the desert. What could have happened? Means the desert area now it is desert, and some of the area also becoming desert. Means in olden days the Sahara desert was not actually desert. There was rivers, maybe there was means greens and agriculture. So the scientists find out the skeleton of this fish even in the desert. Means there was river or there was a chance to reach the fish in the, maybe it was part of sea also. We can't predict like that it was part of sea, or in Arabian countries if you are asking to the people, those who are living there, they are saying like that river like paths are there. Before 100 years or 200 years there was rivers also and there was water also. Now only it become this much desert area. So here in the Sahara also some part may be part of rivers and there was getting better rainfall. Now it become more and more dry, and the area it is increasing day by day. The next one, depression are formed when the wind blows away the sand, and it depression where underground water reaches the surface. On oasis is formed. These areas are fertile. So the underground, under these sands, Then what is the speciality of the sand dunes? It will move from one area to another area according to the wind. When the wind is moving, according to that, the sand dunes will move from one area to another area. For example, we are seeing one mountain like sand here today morning, and today afternoon when we are checking, that may not be there. That may be after 20 kilometers or after 15 kilometers, or just near to that also. Like that it is moving, and when it is going, according to the wind, when the sand is taking away and it is forming the depression or low land area, and that area sometimes we are getting underground water also, that much deep it will go. When the sand is coming, it will come like a mountain, and when sand will go with the wind, that will go like a depression or like a big valleys. So that time we can see surface water, that underground will go to reach to the surface water, that area only forming as a oasis for many days. Maybe that will be there. That time people will plant the palm, dates palm and other things in that area, and it is very fertile also. And around these some water bodies are there, so it is helping them to grow date palms and other some crops also. Sometimes the oasis may be abnormally large. Tafilalet oasis is the Morocco is the large oasis in the area about 13,000 square kilometer. So one of the oasis, it is 13,000 square kilometers, means that is a big one, and that is the largest oasis in the Sahara Desert. Then again, before this page, there was in Al Asisia in the Sahara Desert south of Tripoli, Libya, recorded the highest temperature of 57.7 degrees centigrade in 1922. India, we reached in Thar Desert, that is 48 degree. That is the maximum temperature we got here in India, and in Libya they reached in 57.7 degree centigrade in which year 1922, because that record is there, that's why. So the temperature change from 57 to minus degree or the come to 0 degree, how the people they will cope up with both situation. Then you will be surprised to know that present day Sahara once used to be lush green plain. Caves paintings in Sahara Desert show that there used to be rivers with crocodiles, elephants, lions, giraffes, ostrich, sheep, cattle and goats was very common animals, but the change in the climate has changed it to very hot and dry region. In when we have seen that video clipping, in that also we have seen the wall paintings in that showed like that animals, elephant, cat, like that, cattle like that. It means the people was aware about all these animals. And another one interesting thing, when the this colonial people reached there in African area, what they done, where was the good pastures was available, good lands, fertile land with water, it was available. They made the white people settlement there, and they pushed the other this black people or the African people to the area of desert, so that people become more pathetic situation. So maybe that this recording and other things, it is available of olden days. Then we can see the one of the picture of Saharan desert, stones and other things. Okay, we are stopping here, and I want to introduce another one important thing. We want to do some extra activities related to directly related to our lesson, but related to because of in social studies we want to do four things. One is seminar. Some students already submitted, some students not at all submitted, that I know. Then I have noted their names. The next one, we want to complete a project. Then next one, we want to do art integrated work. Then we want to make a comparative study Tamil Nadu and Jammu Kashmir. Like that, small activities we want to complete. I know last year I never taken care about all these activities, because when we was started our lesson, there was 75% of the lesson was left. So we was thinking about completion of the syllabus. This year we are almost reached to 80% or 85%. So we are having time to do all the activities. So we are going to start part by one lesson, means part of lesson as well as the activity. Okay, I will introduce that one in the next video. You can watch it and you can understand it, and we will do it together, and I will help you people to understand how you should do, what you should do, all things. Okay.